Hi, friends. I'm Katie, and today we're going to go over our send proposal engagement letter with recurring invoices to the client. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click Get for Free. And then we're going to go ahead and view our template. To do that, we're going to go ahead and click Firm Templates, Tasks, and then we're going to go ahead and open that task. The reason we're going to have this task is because we want to make sure that we send that engagement letter. It's going to be a one-off task that you're going to set up every time you set up a pipeline for the first time for a client when it's going to be a recurring pipeline. The reason you're going to do it separately is because you don't want to be reminded to do it every time that pipeline reoccurs, because you don't need to set up a engagement letter every time. So here you can see that you've got the name of the template. You want to send the proposal with a recurring invoice to the client. It's going to be assigned to your admin role, any role that you choose fit for this, as you can change it to your heart's desire. It's going to start today, and this is due in 2 days. So we're going to save and exit, and we're going to assign this task so we can see what it looks like once it's been assigned. So we're going to click New, Task. We're going to assign it to our test account. We're going to view our templates and select the correct one. And here you can see again, it is assigned to our admin role. We've got our description, our start date, and our due date. So we're going to go ahead and click Create. This is going to assign it to our client account. Once it's been assigned, you can go ahead and click on it. This is going to let you view what it looks like once it's been assigned. You can see that I am set as the admin on the account, so it has been assigned to myself. And then we've got the name of the task, our description, again, our start date, and our due dates. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.